Editor.renderWhitespace controls how the editor should render whitespace characters. And whitespace is spaces and tabs. I think new lines don't count towards that. So let's see what options we have. By default, this is none. Okay, so you have all, which means that you have little dots when you have spaces, or this little arrow when you have a tab. And you also have, everywhere you have a space or a tab, you're gonna have that character, right? Now, I don't like all that much, but then you have boundary, and this is the one I prefer, because boundary renders whitespace characters except for single spaces between words, right? And it just renders, usually just renders the indentations. So if you're looking at a file like this, you get all this feedback, and you don't get anything else. You don't get feedback for this this space right here or that one, and this is my preferred method of looking at white space. The reason why I do this is because I want to be very thorough and make sure that my indentation is fully tabbed and not spaced. So no spaces, just tabs. The other option you have here is none, obviously, and selection, which is the default one, and selection. So when you select a little bit of text, you get this feedback right here. But only when you select it. So I'm going to leave this one as boundary, and that's it.